Imagine this for a moment. You wake up to soft morning light coming through wide windows. Outside, there's a quiet mountain road, maybe a lake, maybe the open countryside. You make a cup of coffee, step inside a warm, cozy motorhome, and realize something powerful. You're not in a hotel. You're not rushing anywhere. This is your home on wheels. Now imagine all of that inside a classic motorhome from 1990, upgraded, refined, and still turning heads today. This is the IVECO Daily Hi-Matic 1990. A vehicle that proves luxury travel didn't start yesterday. And today, we're taking a deep, relaxed tour to see why this classic RV might be one of the most underrated luxury upgrades ever built. Back in 1990, most motorhomes were simple, boxy, basic, built just to move from one place to another. But the IVECO Daily Hi-Matic was different. It was designed for people who wanted comfort, space, and long-distance travel without stress. IVECO focused on strength, smooth driving, and a smart layout that still feels usable today. This isn't just an old RV. It's a solid platform that modern builders still love to upgrade, and once you see why, it all makes sense. Now let's talk about what really made this model special, a Hi-Matic transmission. At a time when many RVs still felt heavy and tiring to drive, the Hi-Matic offered a smoother, more relaxed driving experience. Acceleration feels calm and controlled. Long highway drives are easy on the driver, and city driving feels far less stressful than you'd expect from a vehicle of this size. The diesel engine is known for its durability and long life. This motorhome isn't about speed. It's about confidence. The confidence that it can handle long journeys without drama. This is the kind of vehicle you can drive all day and still feel comfortable when you finally park for the night. Let's start outside. The first thing you notice is the clean, upright shape. No unnecessary curves. No flashy design tricks. Just a strong, confident body that looks ready for serious travel. The tall roof gives it a commanding presence on the road, while the wide side panels allow for larger windows, bringing in more natural light. The wide mirrors, solid bumpers, and heavy-duty chassis clearly show that this motorhome was built to last. Even today, parked next to modern RVs, the 1990 Hi-Matic still looks confident. It doesn't try to look modern. It looks timeless. Now let's step inside, because this is where the magic really begins. The interior feels open, warm, and surprisingly modern for its age. The high roof creates true standing space, not that cramped RV feeling many older models had. Natural light fills the cabin through large windows, instantly making the space feel welcoming. The layout is smart and practical. Everything is placed where you actually need it. This isn't just a vehicle interior. It's a real living space. The lounge area is designed for real relaxation. Soft cushions, wide seating, and enough room to stretch your legs after a long drive. This is where you sit with your coffee in the morning, where you share stories in the evening, and where road memories are made. Many upgraded versions now feature modern fabrics, LED lighting, and better insulation, making the space feel fresh while still keeping its classic character. It's simple, comfortable, and genuinely feels like home. Move toward the kitchen, and you'll notice something important. Everything here is practical. A solid countertop, storage cabinets exactly where you expect them, and enough space for a stove, sink, and fridge without feeling crowded. Cooking inside this motorhome feels easy. You're not fighting for space or bending awkwardly. Whether it's a quick breakfast or a full dinner after a long drive, the kitchen supports the lifestyle instead of slowing it down. Now let's talk about rest. The sleeping area is calm and comfortable, designed for real sleep, not just short naps. The bed layout uses space wisely, giving you enough room without wasting it. With proper ventilation and insulation, nights feel quiet and peaceful. This is where the day ends, and where the next adventure begins. For long journeys, details matter, and this motorhome gets those details right. The bathroom is compact but efficient, offering enough space to move and enough privacy to feel comfortable. Storage is spread throughout the interior, under seats, overhead cabinets, and side compartments. Everything has its place. This motorhome was clearly built for people who stay on the road, not just weekend travelers. So why does the IVECO Daily Hi-Matic 1990 still get attention today? Because it offers a strong and reliable chassis, a smooth and relaxed driving experience, a smart interior layout, and a design that's easy to upgrade without losing its soul. It respects simplicity and comfort, and in a world full of overcomplicated RVs, that's refreshing. Now I want to hear from you. Would you choose a classic motorhome like this, or a fully modern RV? What matters more to you, style, comfort, or reliability? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. The IVECO Daily Hi-Matic 1990 reminds us of something important. Luxury isn't always about screens or the latest technology. Sometimes, luxury is space, peace, and freedom. It's about waking up where you want, driving without stress, and carrying your home with you wherever the road goes. If you enjoyed this relaxed motorhome tour, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more classic and luxury RV reviews, and share it with someone who loves life on the road. Until next time, keep driving, keep exploring, and keep chasing the open road.